Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to finally have my design team package arrive. We did have a Labor Day public holiday on Monday that just went by, and I thought I was going to get it the next day, but it still wasn't coming. I was like, what is going on? It usually gets here pretty at a good time, but this time it was extra delayed. But I finally have my package. I am so eager to get into these. But before I open all the die sets and separate them and all, I want to show you guys what's in the May release of KSCRAFT cutting dies. And I also want to show you at the end some of the things that I have done with KSCRAFT cutting dies that I'm going to combine with this slot. So let's start off with the sewing theme. So we have this dress form set. It is a really adorable size, perfect for embellishment making and perfect to add on to other projects. And it comes with two different stitching details. It also gives you like this tape measure bit. I think that's a tape measure, but I'll have to cut it out and see. It also gives you the tiny scissor handle and the scissors as well. Wonderful set. Then we have the sewing words, really nice font, really good size. And the words you get is handmade with love, I'm so fancy, sewn with love, I love sewing, so cute. Then we have this adorable sewing machine mini album set. And I'm going to open it to show you guys. You get all of these detail pieces. And all of these embellishment making bits. How fun is this, right? Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to have to make a lot of these. And it is a vintage style sewing machine. I don't have anything like this, so it's going to be super fun. Then, I am in love with this. This is such a great size. It's a Spool mini album. It comes with buttons and your thumb protector. What is that called? I cannot remember it right now, but I absolutely love this set. And I think it says notions, sewing notions, and it's got like pin included as well. Really great size. Love it so much. Then we have the different kind of bow. Oh my gosh, a scalloped edge. This is going to be so pretty. It looks like there's three different sizes included in here. Then this is a definite must, you guys. Like, I haven't even cut it out, but I already fell in love with it when Hannah was showing it. You layer things in a way that it makes it look like a beautiful medallion ribbon. And I'm probably going to be addicted to cutting this. Get all of these wonderful pieces. Again, wonderful Happy Mail gift set. This is going to be so fun. Then we have the birthday sentiments, and this one has party time, yay, it's your day, cake calories don't count. I absolutely love that. Forever fabulous, still younger than tomorrow. I never thought of it that way. So I am really happy to have this set. Then we have birthday sentiments label set. Now this is wonderful because not only do you get the stamp, and you stamp this out all in one go. You see these black dots? You just have to make sure after you stamp it, you put this one with the circular bit to match it like this. That's how you cut all of these sentiments in one go. Then, not only does it come with this, it gives you this one here. So you can layer things and make it more dimensional and extra pretty and add different colors. Really, really good set. And then I don't have many cutting dies of the cake, so I was so happy to see KSCRAFT come up with more cake design. And so this one has two different sizes, you guys. And you can make them separate. You can layer them on top. You can even make a wedding cake version with this as well. Doesn't mean I will. I'm not doing any wedding theme. We also have the bold birthday words. Now, there was bold Christmas word, which I absolutely loved. So I know I'm going to love this so, so much. it is a must to have these bold words. Very, very nice. And you get so many nice word pieces like parties, birthday, hooray. I will cut them all out and show you guys. Then there is this really sweet size birthday bag. And it's got like stitching details. And look at this top bit here. Very, very pretty. I even think this is wonderful to turn it into floral garden theme bag as well. But this has happy birthday word included also. But of course, you can use this gusseted bag for any kind of theme. We have this really fun necktie gift box set. Now, when I saw this, it totally reminded me of the Halloween coffin box that KSCRAFT came out with last year. And I honestly think this necktie gift box turned into a Halloween theme would be absolutely fun thing to do. And of course, you might think it's like intimidating to see so many pieces, but Hannah did say that this is easy to put together, and I will put one together and tell you guys all the things that you do need to know. I'm losing voice, oh my gosh. I had to go do blood test today, and I had to do a little bit extra than my normal regular lot because I am testing for vitamin D plus thyroid levels as well. And then, so I have this one here now, Yarn Mini Album. This set is a must for Valentine's crafting as well, not just for sewing or yarn crochet lovers. What I really am excited for is that this has all of these beautiful yarn details, right? But it also gives you this heart frame. So you can make mini album, you can make heart shaker embellishments, and you can also include these little tiny hearts because it gives you a heart shaker plate as well. Really, really wonderful value. Absolutely love it so, so much. And look at me, you guys. I am already sort of half creating. I'm gonna probably make something like this. Okay, next lot we have. I'm in love with this too because I have 2 boys, but I can also turn these into any theme. If you guys are not aware, I don't have any hair because I have lost them all due to my autoimmune condition. And I have like little bit now because it's slowly starting to grow due with the medicine that they've changed for me. But it's a very, very slow process and I haven't had hair for like over 15 years now, I think. Something like that. But, so I do wear caps sometimes and I do wear different kinds of hat. So I'm going to imagine myself wearing these and turn it into really pretty style. So that's going to be fun and I will probably do some in shaker version as well. This one here is a bigger version of the cap. This is a cap mini album. And can you imagine putting this on a gift box? How fun would that be? Or you can even turn this into a tote bag. Why not? So let me explore all of these sets and come back to show you guys. Then we also have cake slice shaker. I can already imagine myself trying to do like a rainbow theme with this. I think that would be really fun. But when I go to actually do the cutting dies, to, do the actual cutting, I completely go off track and do something very different. But I absolutely love the details included, like the creams and 2 levels of the sponge cake or whatever cake. Then we have this one here, 3D card with a box. This is going to be a wonderful item to use for your group swap, Happy Mail gifting, I think. And honestly, 3D card with box can be turned into a book theme as well. And it's got lots of different things included, you guys. So not only do you get the box card, you also get a bow included. Then you also get this like filigree type of accenting thing. So pretty, look at that. So you can do so much with this. Then we have this small elephant shaker. Now this elephant shaker has a shadow word as well. And it says baby. So if you're making a baby mini album, you can definitely use this component to add it on. But for me, I'm not doing baby theme. I'm going to tell you guys that already. I am not doing baby theme. I will make it really fun. And then I have this large jumbo mama size. That's what Tony would probably say. And this one has the word little one in it. And look at all the details. I love all of the stitching details. And it's got 3 different layers. And of course, you can turn this into a shaker and make it super fun as well. Now, that is the entire May release from KSCRAFT cutting dies. And as you have seen, they are exquisite. I love them so, so much. I'm going to show you what I've been prepping because I was like waiting and waiting for the KSCRAFT cutting dies to turn up. And I was like, that's it. I need to do some birthday theme preparation. So what I have done is this one here. So this is a pocket that's included with the ghost. So this is another large size, like a taller size ghost shape that comes with the star box add-on. And that's for the Halloween theme. But I am using the star shape one pocket, and I'm going to see where I can add this pocket. What I did was I cut out the base bit using the metallic red, pearlescent red. Then I also cut a little rectangular piece in the vinyl glitter. And I sandwiched the vinyl between this piece and this piece here. So I have this pocket ready for me to use. Then I have made the magic wand in the shaker version. Because before when I bought it, because I wasn't part of the design team when these came out, so I bought this one and I haven't made it into a shaker before. So I really wanted to make a shaker version for the birthday theme. And look what I did. I added tiny caviar balls in there. And I used like a 2mm foam. And I added the magical swirl behind it. So you can see it like this. And I can use this for decorating. So I have another one here. And another one here. So fun. Then I have also been using the birthday flag set. These are all KSCRAFT cutting dies I'm showing you, okay? So this is the part of the birthday flag. And I cut them in 4 different colors. And I am using the Simple Stories Happiest Place for my birthday theme. So I've got these colors ready. And from that birthday flag set, you get word included like party. So I have used the 2mm foam that I got from Panda Hall. I added my pattern paper on top. So I have party. So you can actually do that if you wanted to. But I'm going to probably not use it with the flag. Then you also get the word yay. So I did prep the yay as well. Then from another birthday gift card set, there is a HBD. So I cut that with the mint foam. I put the Mickey and Minnie pattern paper on top. Then I also have, so this is part of another KSCRAFT bag topper that says happy birthday. So I didn't do the birthday part. I just simply wanted the happy word. So I double layered it using a pink pearlescent cardstock as well as my daisy pattern paper. Then I have used the pearlescent red like this box here and added the pattern paper from Simple Stories on top. So I had these happy words to use. Then KSCRAFT also has a birthday balloon set. In that set, you get 3 different sizes of 3 different shapes. And I just wanted to use the star one. And I didn't want to turn it into a shaker because I knew I'm going to add other pieces on top to decorate. So I have this balloon base with the Mickey and Minnie captured. And I have a starry one. So fun, right? Oh my gosh. And then, you guys, so we have, KSCRAFT also has the 3D... It's a 3D birthday hat box, gift box. So it normally stands like this because you will have like many sides. And it's like an explosion box. But I just wanted to use the layering pieces to create a birthday party hat base. And so included in the set is this decorative layer piece. So I used those to put it at the bottom of the triangular shape. See, I glued the very top part underneath this layering piece, and it gave me a birthday hat base. So I'm gonna use this to decorate with other things released from KSCRAFT this month. It's gonna be so fun. I am already very, very excited. So that is all I have to share today, but I will try my best to share with you guys what I have been making real soon, hopefully. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you get to pick up some of these dies. All of the links are in my description area, so you guys can go quickly find it. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Bye for now.